Let's get our hands dirty. Production technology is the art and science of making things. It's how raw materials become everything from paper clips to jet engines. This is where ideas become reality, not just theory. As an engineer, knowing how things are made is key to designing things that be made. It's not enough to design something perfect on a computer. You need to know if it's possible, affordable, and reliable in the real world. Production technology helps you avoid impossible designs and optimize for strength, cost, and efficiency. Every object around you, your phone case, a soda can, a zipper, exists because of a specific manufacturing process. Learning production tech is like learning the language of creation, why some things are cast, others forged or stamped. In this course, we'll pull back the curtain on how things are really made and what can go wrong. Understanding failures, like cracked welds or warped parts, is just as important as knowing how to do it right. So grab your safety glasses. We're not just talking about making stuff, we're understanding it from the inside out. Let's dive into the core manufacturing methods that shape our world. Casting. Melt metal, pour it into a mold, let it cool. Great for complex shapes, but watch out for porosity and shrinkage. Welding. Fusing metals with heat, essential for everything from bridges to pipelines. Good welds are strong, bad ones can be disastrous. Forging, shaping metal with force, like a blacksmith on an industrial scale. It creates incredibly strong parts for high-stress uses. Rolling, passing metal through rollers to make sheets and bars. Uniform and efficient. Extrusion, forcing material through a die, like making aluminum window frames. Sheet metal forming, bending and stamping thin metal for car panels and appliances. Each process has unique challenges, but mastering them is what makes modern manufacturing possible. Manufacturing isn't just big, it's gone microscopic. Enter MEMS. Micro-electromechanical systems, tiny machines built on silicon chips. These devices power your phone's sensors and car airbags made with photolithography and etching. At this scale, new challenges arise: surface tension, static friction, and unique material behaviors. Nanomachining goes even smaller, manipulating materials atom by atom. Focused ion beams carve features measured in billionths of a meter, enabling ultra-efficient chips and revolutionary sensors. Micro and nano techniques drive our high-tech world from pocket computers to life-saving diagnostics. As engineers, mastering these processes is essential. The future belongs to those who can build at every scale. So, why does all this matter? Every manufacturing process is a tool in your engineering toolbox. Your job isn't just to dream up solutions, it's to build them reliably and affordably. Take a kitchen knife. The blade might be forged or stamped, the handle injection molded, all chosen for performance and cost. Understanding production lets you see the decisions behind every object. When faced with a real problem, like designing a lightweight aircraft bracket, your knowledge helps you weigh forging, casting, machining, or 3D printing. Mastering production technology makes you a better problem solver and designer. It closes the gap between design and reality, saving time and money. Anticipate challenges, design smarter, and create products that work. This is your foundation for building a better world, one well-made part at a time.